that bird! That bird just shit on me! Can you believe this shit? Look! There are no birds on the line anywhere. Nowhere are there other birds. And it flew away. The son of a bitch. Oh, son of a bitch. I got shot. God. I feel violated. Look at this shit. Look at it. Dirty! I got shit on! Did you see it? It's right there. I felt it. I felt it. That son of a bitch shat on me. I've been shit on. I've been shit on. How does that make you feel as a human being to be shit on? And I touched it too, because I was like, no way, that bird just shat on me. Gross. I got shat on. That bird was a person, and that person didn't have wings. I guess I still would have taken it, because the person would have been, like, kind of retarded, like, by my standards. Because birds are pretty stupid. But why did it do that? Why did it just land there, shit on me, and then fly off? Look, there's still no birds. No birds anywhere on any lines, anywhere. It just lands right there and